Good morning. Today is Monday, January 30th, 2023. I'm here at Mandarin Holiday Marina, and this is a before video of the 27-foot long Catalina at slip B53. We have it in our notes as All In, but the name on the boat is Kristibel. So we're gonna double check that and make sure that that's right. But let's go ahead and see what it looks like. Alright, so there is some hard growth, but we'll get that cleaned up and we'll get another video. Looks like there is a 1-inch shaft zinc on the shaft, but we'll go ahead down there and measure it and make sure.